What's up? Yeah. I'm still making pancakes. Hello. Yeah, something is happening outside. It sounds like somebody's being left apart, so I think it's my dad. See? Because you guys, I burned this. Thanks. Hate you. You wanna see a boat? I have a boat. Wow. Oh, it's bright. Ooh, that's a boat. You can't really see it because, you know, there's a deck there and a shed. Oh, a little barbecue. You wanna see my dog? Oh, she's so cute. Yeah.
Yana,
What?
want me to show you the exact?
No.
It's in my hand right now.
I don't care. Ah, no. That was not the right angle. God. Don't you just hate life? Oh, there's not even a pancake on that. Oh. God. I don't want a grease fire or anything, you know? I don't feel like dying today. Their pancakes may not be perfect, but they're pancakes.
Yana's the best.
I know. Oh, my throat hurts.
Best of Pikachu world.
That's why. It's on high heat. Do we have any throat stuff? No, but we've got iced tea stuff. And now I will tease you guys because you may not have it. Hey, Mommy.
Hey.
Your throat hurt too?
No. Yeah, hey.
No. Do you want pancake? You want pancake?
Yeah, pancake.
Pancake. What are we having for spaghetti? I'm assuming.
Tortellini.
Oh!
Yes. Cheese-filled tortellini.
It's full of cheese.
Yes.
I like cheese.
Yeah, I do.
What is that on the fence?
That's the fire hose for the
Oh,
big sprinkler.
firefighter hose.
Oh no, the sprinkler hose.
No, firefighter.
No, it's not.
Firefighter.
You don't know nothing.
No.
Oh, I'm so worried about my fucking shop.
This pancake mix is weird. Cause you know how I make mine with like crepes?
Yep.
Well, this stuff is really, really fluffy and thick, even if it's thin.
Oh, good.
Yeah, weird. See, look at that.
That's good. It's good. It's good.
It's good.
It's good.
Good.
Stop it.
It's good. Oh, my nose.
my mom. My mom's amazing.